Have you ever wanted to say something but didn't know how to start the conversation? Maybe it's a coworker at the coffee machine or your boss in the hallway. Hi everyone, I'm Anna, and this is Simple English Life. Today we'll share how to make small talk at the office. Easy, friendly, and natural. No stress, no fear, just confidence. One sentence at a time. Let's begin together, step by step. Part 1, Storytelling. Last Monday, I arrived at the office a bit early. The sun was shining through the big glass windows. The office was quiet. Just the sound of the coffee machine. I saw my colleague Emma making coffee in the pantry. She looked asleep but smiled when she saw me. I thought, maybe I should start a friendly chat. So I smiled back and said, "Good morning, Emma. How's your morning?" She laughed and said, "Better now with coffee." We both laughed, and that small talk really brightened our day. Repeat after me. How's your morning? One more time. How's your morning? After that, I realized small talk doesn't need to be perfect English. It just needs to be warm, simple, and real. Let's see more examples in the dialogue. Part 2, Dialogue. Good morning, Emma. You're in early today.
Morning, Anna. Yeah, I couldn't sleep much last night.
Oh no, rough night?
A bit, but coffee always saves the day.
How was your weekend? Did you do anything fun?
It was great. I went hiking with some friends.
Wow, sounds refreshing. Where did you go?
Up in Green Hill, the view was amazing.
That sounds lovely. I just stayed home and watched a movie.
Nice. What movie did you watch?
A romantic comedy, funny and sweet.
Perfect way to relax.
Did you watch the football game last night?
Yes, that last goal was unbelievable.
I know, right? Everyone was cheering.
Best game of the season for sure.
Do you usually have coffee in the morning?
Always. I can't start my day without it.
Same here. Coffee is my best friend.
We're coffee twins then.
How's your project going these days?
Pretty well. We just finished the first phase.
Wow, congrats. That must feel good.
Thanks. Still a long way to go, but it's progress.
I'm working on the marketing plan. It's been nonstop.
Oh, that sounds intense.
Yeah, but I enjoy it. Keeps my brain active.
That's the spirit.
Do you usually bring lunch or eat out?
I usually eat out. There's a nice cafe nearby.
Oh, the one with the pasta. I love that place.
Exactly. Their lasagna is the best.
I bring lunch from home most days.
That's impressive. Homemade food is the healthiest.
Thanks. It saves money too.
Smart move, Anna.
The weather is really nice today, isn't it?
Yes. Finally, some sunshine after all that rain.
It makes the office feel brighter.
Totally. I can actually feel more productive.
Do you like reading in your free time?
Yes, I love novels, especially mysteries.
Oh, I prefer short stories. They're quick and inspiring.
I should try some. Got any recommendations?
Do you exercise after work?
Sometimes, but not as much as I should.
Aha, same here. After work, I just want to rest.
Exactly. Couch time is the best time.
By the way, have you tried that new coffee shop near the station?
Oh, yes. The one with the green cups?
Yes. Their cappuccino is amazing.
Totally agree. And their music is chill too?
Are you planning any trips this month?
Maybe next weekend I might visit my parents.
That's nice. Family time is important.
Definitely. I miss my mom's cooking.
How do you usually relax after a long day?
I watch Netflix or play the guitar.
Oh, that sounds fun.
Yeah, it helps me unwind.
Do you like working from home or the office?
I like both. Home is quiet, but the office has energy.
True. I like chatting with people here.
That's what keeps the day fun.
Are you joining the team lunch this Friday?
Of course, wouldn't miss it.
Great. It's always good to hang out outside work.
Yeah, we should do that more often.
Do you have any pets?
I do. A golden retriever named Max.
Wow, how cute. Does he behave?
Mostly, except when he sees food.
You're always so positive. How do you do it?
Aha! Lots of coffee and good music.
I'll try that recipe too.
Works every time.
All right, I should get back to work now.
Me too. Let's survive Monday together.
Yeah, have a productive day.
You too, Anna. See you later.
That was a full, natural small talk at the office. Now let's learn step by step. Part 3. Step-by-step sentences. 1. Good morning. You're in early today. Use this to start a friendly chat at work. Repeat after me. Good morning. 2. How was your weekend? Did you do anything fun? A great Monday question to build connection. Repeat. How was your weekend? 3. Did you watch the game last night? Sports or movies are easy, fun topics. Repeat. Did you watch the game last night? 4. How's your project going these days? Show real interest in your colleagues' work. Repeat. How's your project going? 5. The weather is really nice today. A simple and safe way to start a talk. Repeat. The weather is nice today. 6. By the way, do you want to grab coffee after work? Perfect to build a stronger connection. Repeat. Do you want to grab coffee after work? 7. You're always so positive. How do you do it? A warm compliment makes people smile. Repeat. You're always so positive. How do you do it? Part 4, wrap up and tips. Let's review our 7 key sentences. 1. Good morning. 2. How was your weekend? 3. Did you watch the game last night? 4. How's your project going? 5. The weather is nice today. 6. Do you want to grab coffee after work? 7. You're always so positive. How do you do it? Tip 1. Smile before you speak. It changes everything. Tip 2. Use open questions, not just yes or no. Tip 3. Listen, react, and keep the energy light. End small talk with kindness. Have a great day. Great job today. You've learned how to sound friendly and confident at work. Remember, small talk isn't small. It builds strong connections. Now, a question for you. What do you usually say to your colleagues in the morning? Write your answer in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and join me in the next lesson. See you soon. Goodbye.